Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. If there is something specific that you are looking for, specific education or experience and background that you have, leave that in the comments below. I'm always reading the comments and keeping those in mind when I am searching for job leads because I always want to be sharing job leads that are helpful to someone and not wasting your time. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Healthmark Group. Now, this is a healthcare company and they are hiring multiple positions. So I will leave this page linked down below if you want to check out all the positions that they have open. But today's job lead from them is an FMLA patient services phone. So this is a phone-based customer service position. They are hiring in the United States. And they are looking for someone who has excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, and great interpersonal communication skills, great working relationships with requesters, clients, and co-workers. They are looking for someone who can be detail-oriented and able to resolve customer issues in a timely manner. So for this role specifically, they're looking for someone to perform customer service and help patients and requesters with the status of their disability or FMLA paperwork. You'll need to make sure that we're providing the detailed information to the patients and ensure that their notes are accurate and detailed, and all actions require a note in the medical release. So you need to verify that that is there. You'll respond to medical records requests from the patients and just ensure that all of their questions are answered. So you'll have to follow policies and guidelines that are set in place. You will have to do some data entry, typing notes, and keeping records of the communication between you and the patient. And it does say you must meet daily goals. So this does look like a productivity-based job where you have to take at least so many calls a day. A few other skills that they are looking for is someone who can type at least 50 words a minute, someone who's willing to learn. You must have a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They want someone who's a fast learner, self-motivated, dependable, ability to adapt to change, and a team player with a positive attitude. Now, while they don't list the specific benefit package that comes with this job or the hours that it requires, the pay is $15 to $16 per hour, but the actual working schedule, whether this is 8 to 5 or 7 to 3 or whatever the actual working hours, that will have to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.